All right. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. N5BSB here. Today, I'm just going to do an unboxing of new Mast sent to me. I got this from Ham Radio HRD Industries. This is his Little Dude 6, I believe it is. I'm going to try to keep this in the frame, hopefully, to where can see. Let's see what we got here. Handwritten note. Thank you. Maybe I'll come POTA soon. I love Texas since my military days. Took me there so often. Take care. Real potable antenna video part 2 coming soon. Thanks, Sean. Looks like we got a contact sticker and a KCHO sticker. And this is the invoice. So set that out of the way. Pull this out of the box. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let me get my tape measure here. Well, let's get it out. But even in this thing, it's about 17 inches. It's got a little bag, I guess you could say. Nice. So let's get it out. Looks like this may be an extra. Set the bag down there. So HRD Industries Little Dude 6. Looks really nice. It's got a little different finish down here on the bottom, and this end up here is where this is the custom made cap, I believe, that he made for these. I think this might be the original cap that came on here. So I think you can just pull that off, and the top section is in the cap here, and you can utilize this cap, for running your wire or something through there, hoisting it up. It's going to be hard to do much in here, but I mean, it feels pretty strong. I mean, I don't want to see if I can break it, but I mean, it's much more sturdy than my spider beam mast. Of course, I guess maybe that's the carbon fiber portion of it. So this is, I think it's comes out to close to 20 feet. Okay, apologize for that. Microphone battery died, so I had to redo this part. So where I left off was talking about it being 20 foot long, and on the bottom here, always make sure you hold this in, but the bottom unscrews. There is a little ring on there if you want to attach it to something. I don't know if you can see that in there, but just always make sure that if you have this off, you don't want this to all go flying out. So I was going to check the diameter. It looks like the outside diameter looks like it's about 1 7/16, and the inside diameter is about 1 5/16. That's approximate, not exact, but pretty close. So, but anyway, seems like it's got a nice finish to it. I like this thing. It's really compact. Let's see how long the total length is. It's about 15 and I think it's close to 15 and a quarter. So it'll definitely fit in my Explorer style backpack without any issue. So that's the unboxing. Stay tuned. I am planning on putting this in my Explorer backpack. I haven't done a video on that yet, but I usually use my Zygu radio in that. I plan to do a video on that. Also plan to do a video of this out in the park with a real potable antenna. So thank you very much for watching, and go hit up Sean on his website. This looks like this is going to be a nice antenna for portable use. Catch you later.